from
Group 1 Conversation.
So in this video, we want to talk about interesting topic, and the topic is, do smartphone make us smarter or lazier? Let's watch our video. So guys, as you know, in this modern era, smartphone is have a big part of our daily life. Like we do almost everything with smartphone. Maybe like studying or texting or maybe just scroll the social media. So I have been thinking about that have a long time. Do smartphone make us smarter, or smartphone is just make us more lazy? Like I think we use smartphone a long time, but we don't really think about the effect of our daily life. So what do you think, guys?
Yes, Indra. I agree with your statement that smartphone have a big role in our daily life because it really helps us for like working or studying, like when we need to learn about new thing that we cannot find in our environment, and we can search it easily in smartphone, right?
Yes.
Moreover, now we have like AI, GPT, right, and so on.
Something.
So I think sometimes smartphone make us smarter because we have the same chance that to know about many things in the smartphone.
Yeah, I agree with you.
So how about you guys?
I agree, but I also disagree because I think smartphone is just a distraction for me. Because when I try to focus when finishing my task, every time there is a notification pops up, or just the urge to just check one thing, suddenly an hour is gone, and I think my brain is also lost has ability to stay still because of the smartphone. So when I finishing tasks, I can stay still without the dopamine from the screen. And how about you?
In my opinion, smartphone may really help us in such a thing like studying or anything, since we can search anything at any time and anywhere, right? As long as it has internet. But it depends on the people who use. Like for me, I can actually spend entire day just playing smartphone. It's really affect our productivity. Yeah. What about you?
How about you then?
For me, I'm more about in neutral side because smartphone is the definition of the idiom. What is it? It's double-edged sword. You know,
Oh yeah.
it's just like kata statement. Smartphone it's depend on how we use smartphone in general, because if we use it in more, what is it, more like working or learning or something, rather than scrolling or doom scrolling, is more likely to be lean on the positive side.
So for Ata and Dennis, smartphone is can make us smarter or lazier depending on ourselves.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So Nindra, what is your opinion?
In my opinion, is smartphone is have more negative impact for our daily life because yes, I know we can search everything. It's help our daily life too. For maybe studying, we can search on Google AI, but in smartphone is also bring negative impact like what Sabrina says is always make us forget about time and make us lazier, and the smartphone is have like content like not educate the children.
Yes, I agree. I know that we can search everything in a search bar, but sometimes it makes us lazy to think. For
Yes.
example, we search like the most basic stuff, and we don't want to remember it or figure it out.
And this make us lazy to think because if we want to like do our assignment, we just open AI and asking AI, right? We
Right.
don't think about the assignment, but we just write what the AI say to us.
Yes, true, guys. I think the development of technology now is about what, how we can how we can be wise to use it. Like just now, you all said that actually smartphone can make us what, become productive or maybe become lazy. That depend on our self, right? So because I think we all cannot live without smartphone, right?
Yes.
In this economy, we can.
This economy, in this era also.
I think so.
However, we can just not using smartphone because it at our daily life everything is now need a smartphone, and if we're not adapting to technology at this time, we're gonna lose a big opportunity in this. Also, smartphone and technology can give us easier way to get something such as cashless payment or
Oh yeah, Chris.
and what is it? Ojol and packet delivery. It's all use smartphone in the way.
It really makes our life easier.
But if we not wise to use smartphone, it can bring a negative impact for our life.
Yes, that's true. I agree with you.
Kenapa? Tambahin topik. Kenapa enggak?
And do you guys think smartphone affect the way we think or learn?
Yes. as you said just now, right? As you say
Yeah.
that now when we got some assignment that there are many websites like I mean AI that can help us to do our assignment, and we just need to search or ask the AI
And then
directly get the answer. And I think that such a bad what
besides affect our thinking and what
make us lazy to think.
make us lazy to think is also sometimes it makes me lost the social stamina, especially when interacting with people in real life because I prefer interacting with chatting or maybe as long as I'm not meet people in real life, it makes me lazy to socialize with everyone sometimes.
How about you, Denise? How about you, Ata?
I think smartphone also can change our personality too, such as Tina say, because when I'm at elementary school, I'm actually can be talkative to people, not like
You're really
like-
different from now.
just because COVID too. So you must change smartphone.
Okay, I see.
For me, I'm the same as Ata. It is the reason why I have this places.
It's because of smartphone.
Yeah. The way I use smartphone is for like convenience because if we rely entirely on our smartphone, we might get some what is only negative side of it. Yeah. That's why we ought to what is it? Use it accordingly. Now we are talking about smartphone, right? What do you guys think about our current government rule that prohibit or limit kids children in between age of 16 and below? What's your opinion, this?
I think that's such a good decision, right? Because what
The music is too low.
the kids what in age 16 and under, they what sometimes they haven't been able to what to difference between which one the right and which thing that what can make them worse and worse. Like I mean, that's the time for them to what focus on studying and not scrolling or playing game to what too long in a day, right?
What you guys?
I agree with the government policy because smartphone also, especially in social media, there is a lot of dangerous content for them. So the way government government announced the policy, it just prevent them for that type of content.
I agree with Sabrina and Ajak because I think children, the maybe 8 until 17 years old is they cannot be wise of using social media. Still child.
What about you? I don't know.
You agree with us or?
Yeah,
Oh,
totally
yeah.
agree with us.
So guys, that's all from our conversation today. So the conclusion is
A smartphone can make us smarter and lazier, but it depends how we use them and how we control ourselves.
so stay tuned for our next video.